Trying to access DeFi on Starknet with your Bitcoin? Watch this video to learn how it's done. Step 1. Start by getting Bitcoin or WBTC from your preferred CEX or DEX. If your Bitcoin or WBTC is on a CEX, withdraw it and send it to your wallet. Step 2. Bridge WBTC to Starknet. Go to starkgate.starknet.io or atomic.exchange. Connect your wallet. Select WBTC on Starknet as the destination and start bridging. Step 3. Start participating in Starknet's expanding DeFi ecosystem with WBTC.